the reception of the month of Safar. That coincides with the departure of Borom Touba Ajimaji, the inequality to save the humanity, because he said on his writings, Sababu aibatiya anna Allah arada an anala min hujaha wa an akuna shafihan li hawmi wa an akuna khadiman fi dawmi. Our presentation on Daaray Ëttu waxtane borom Touba will revolve around 3 points. Firstly, the origin of our Daara. Secondly, the activities of our Daara. And thirdly, the objectives of our Daara. Our Daara was born in July 28, 2018, after the merger of two groups, Ëttu Kennel Borom Touba and Daaray Waxtane Borom Touba. Next, we will introduce you to the activities of the Daara. They are exclusively reserved on programs in which we only talk about Borom Touba and the welcome day of Safar's month. However, the program in the Daara happen in channels like WhatsApp, YouTube, Telegram, and TikTok, with different subjects that help the Murid believer to keep and increase his admiration for Borom Touba Aji Magaji. These shows are each Saturday, Jotaayu Waxtane Borom Touba, to speak about Borom Touba. Each Sunday, Jotaayu Soxna yi, reserved for the women of our Daara. Each Monday, Karamati Khattu Yadi, which speaks of the miracle of the Hasida's mythical books. Every Thursday, Talatay Mam Cheikh Ibrahima Fall, Lamp Babul Mouridine, dedicated to Mam Cheikh Ibrahima Fall. Wednesdays, Jotaayu Kennel Borom Touba, where we talk only about the singularity of Borom Touba among all creatures, inviting a singularist of Borom Touba Aji Magaji. Thursdays, Jotaayu Magi Mouridi, dedicated to the companion of Borom Touba, Jotaayu Murid, on Fridays, in which we invite a Murid to a debate to promote the knowledge between us. Jotaayu Chedam, the monthly program that talk about the unlimited greatness of Borom Touba, as well as another program every fortnight called Nexitu Hasida, in which we invite a Hasida singer.
ngir am ay xibaar yu leer te wóor ak lépp lu xew ci wàllum actualité nationale et internationale, abonnez gaaw ci sa chaîne bi di ASG Production.